How to make $5,000 by flipping a car, step-by-step instruction. Number one, you buy minor damage cars at insurance or auctions. Number two, you buy it for the price of 50% discount. Number three, you fix the car, you enjoy the ride, you take great photos and you advertise it at Facebook Marketplace. Number four, you enjoy this beautiful ride, you advertise it, and when you got the customer, you sell it for huge profit. Now let's look at case study. I purchased this 2018 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS Dream, beautiful car, for just $12,250. Yes, it had some minor damage, it was a vandalism, so yes, we fixed the car, we put everything together. I mean, it looks absolutely beautiful right now. The best part, the price for this vehicle was $18,500, including registration and taxes. Right now it retails at $35,000 and I'm gonna sell it for the lowest possible KBB price of $27,000. It means I can enjoy this car by driving it, and when I sell it, I'm gonna make $7,000 profit on it. If you wanna learn how I flip cars and make $7,000 consistently on each car, comment car flip right now and I'll send you my training absolutely free.